Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. In today's video, I will show you how to set custom alarm on your iPhone. We will need a shortcut to set custom alarm. I will give a shortcut link in my video description. You can download it from there. After clicking on the shortcut link, we will get an interface like this. From here, click on Get Shortcut. A pop-up will appear. From here, click on Open. Next, click on Add Shortcut. The shortcut has been added. Now the shortcut should be set up. Click on the shortcut to set up. A pop-up will appear above. From here, we will select Allow.
Good morning, name. It's Tuesday, 03 December.
Finished setting up our shortcut. Now we will set the custom alarm. For that, click on Automation below. Click on New Automation. From here, click on Alarm. Select Goes Off. Then set Any. Finally, select Run Immediately. Click on Next. Click on the search bar and type Morning Routine Beyond. Click on Morning Routine Beyond. Now exit the app. Click on Clock app. Select your alarm. Next, click on Sound. It won't work if we set the default alarm music on our phone. So we must set custom sound for custom alarm. Now I will select my custom alarm music from here. Then go back and select alarm time. Now click on Save. Then whole process of our custom alarm is complete. Now we will check it.
Good morning, name. It's Tuesday, 03 December. It's 8:59 p.m. Your phone is 41% charged. It's 21 degrees Celsius and clear today. It feels like 21 degrees Celsius right now. I forecast 0 meters of rain and winds of 6.5 to 4 kilometers per hour.
In this way, you can set custom alarm for your iPhone. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.